Hey friends, now I'm going to teach you how to make super lime flavored cane juice. Alright, what you want to do is take your knife and you will cut a X. Alright, cut an X in your lime. Alright, cut the X in it. And you want to have a lime that is smaller than the 5 centimeter diameter hole in the Mighty Mini. Okay, so then you will take your stick with the sharp end, you'll cut in it, and you'll simply put it there. And what that X does is it helps. All right, so now I'm doing this one-handed, by the way. All right, you put that on the end, and so what you're going to do is put that in first. All right, this is a super lime flavor. It'd be very strong, 1 serving of lime flavored cane juice. All right, it's a great idea. It also looks good to your customers. You can say, hey, look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, all right, put the lime in. Okay, push it into the rollers. Look at all that lime juice, just squirt it out. All right, it's going in, and this is the super lime infused cane juice. All right, so I'll put another piece in here. Mighty Mini is great, you know. You can put unpeeled canes, peeled canes, all right. So I have the whole lime, and look at the color of the juice there. Isn't that great? Now I want you to see something here. Friends, this is the piece that just came out. Look at that. Look how dry. Hopefully you can see that. Friends, that is so dry. Dry as a bone. That is amazing. Okay, there's no juice at all. You couldn't put that in twice. All right, so here is the lime infused cane juice. All right, look at that. Ooh, let's drink it up. I like intense lime flavor. I've always liked lime and lemons. I don't know why. Maybe I'm a sourpuss. But look at the color. Lime helps preserve cane juice. Lime and lemon, acidic. What it does is it lowers the pH, because cane juice is an 8.9 pH in average, and that's pretty high, okay? And so what it does is it stabilizes the cane juice. And you notice I put the lime in with the skin on it. Friends, you want to crush limes and lemons with the skin. Put it through the rollers, because that skin adds to the rich flavor. But look at that color. Man, that is so awesome. Wow. Okay, lime. Again, in your lemon and your lime, cut an X and then stick it in the sharp part of the cane that you cut. Put that through. It will all juice at the same time. No hassle. Very easy. The seeds will fall into the filter on the inside of the machine. You don't have to worry about those. And you get this awesome color cane juice that comes out. All right, friends, remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and share my channel with your friends, as I'm going to be uploading all kinds of things on everything sugarcane. Thank you for watching. I'm David with David's Cane Machine Select, home of the Mighty Mini cane machine.